Hey everybody, it's TheDollBoy, and today I have a new doll to unbox. When I was in Paris, I found this new singing Cinderella doll at the Disney store, and I was so excited to get her that I decided to unbox her on the same day in front of the Eiffel Tower. Cinderella comes in this new window style box that has a circle cut out so you can make her sing while she's still in the box. The doll sings "A dream is a wish your heart makes," just like in the movie. The side of the box has art of Cinderella in her signature blue gown, just like in the back of the box. At the back, it also shows you the price, which was €22 or 17 pounds. At the other side of the box, there is art of the carriage with some really small artwork of Cinderella in her pink dress. Now, I'm taking her out of the box to take a closer look. As you probably already noticed, Cinderella comes in her pink dress that her mice friend made for her. She also wears a little pink bow in her hair that is actually attached to an elastic headband. Her hair is really nicely curled but really heavily gelled, and Cinderella even comes with her blue necklace. Then, on her dress there are several ribbons and bows. The pink parts are glittered all the way around, and underneath her dress she wears these pink flat shoes. The doll is fully articulated in one arm at the shoulder, elbow, and wrist, and the other arm only has articulation at the shoulder and the wrist, because that's the arm that makes her sing. Her legs are the rubber kind of legs, and she has the band and snap knees. On the side of her waist there's an on and off button so you can switch off the singing. The speaker is on her back and it's shaped like a heart. As I don't really need my dolls to sing, I rebodied the Cinderella on a purple top made to move body for more posability, and I'm absolutely crazy about her now. I really hope you liked this review. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up, comment down below and subscribe to my channel. If you want to see more pictures of my dolls, make sure to follow me on Instagram as well, @TheDollBoy. See you next time!